Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix the C4 error code on top of your Samsung inverted air conditioner. So first of all, before hopping on to the solutions, we need to understand what this error actually means. So the C4 error on your Samsung inverter AC indicates the temperature sensor fault, usually involving the indoor heat exchanger or the pipe sensor. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to turn your AC off and you need to also disconnect it from the circuit breaker. Then you just have to simply leave your AC unit as it is for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After this time duration, you just have to turn everything back on. And before turning on the AC with the help of the remote, I want you to simply wait for further 1 to 2 minutes. And then you can just simply check it if the C4 error is showing on the display or not. Now, if the error is still there, the second thing that you need to check are the air filters. The poor airflow can affect the evaporator temperature and sometimes contribute to the sensor related protection errors. Now, if the C4 error returns immediately after doing this reset process and even after cleaning the air filters, the next thing that you need to do is to simply check whether the indoor unit is cooling normally. If it isn't, the temperature sensor connection may be loose or the sensor itself may have failed. So you can try these easy fixes and then you will be able to basically fix this particular error. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.